Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SPAZY case wireless charging stand. This is mainly for iPhone 10 or above, plus iWatch series, plus AirPods series. This is primarily for Apple product. This comes with 3-in-1 charging stands, and you can see an image right over here what this particular stand looks like and how the different products will get charged on it. Do we have anything more? You can charge all the three devices, an iPhone, an Apple iWatch and an AirPods simultaneously, and that's more or less it. Okay, this particular charging stand uses a double coil design. You can place the phone vertically or horizontally without affecting the charging of the phone. You can watch your favorite TV movies while charging. So yeah, it's very convenient. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the box. First up, we have a user manual for the 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. The model number is Q12. Everything that you want to know can be found in this booklet, so you should read it at least once. And yeah, we also have a C-type charger for this particular charging stand. There you go. There's a charging cable with a C-type on one end and USB-A on the other. And this is the 3-in-1 charging stand in question. The model number is Q12, as I mentioned earlier. This is where you charge the watch. This is where you charge the iWatch. And yeah, what else is there? This comes with this basically comes with a magnet inside, which will help you charge the iWatch. This is what you use to charge the AirPods. This particular lightning charger over here. I don't know if you can see. And you also have this area where you will be charging the smartphone. You can place it vertically or horizontally, that's up to you. There's also a no slip mat right over here. The entire thing is made out of it has this matte black finish. This is the charging port, the USB-C charging port, and there are 4 anti-slip stops underneath as well to give it a bit of stability. And this is what you'll find inside the box, containing the SPAZY case wireless charging stand. The model number is Q12. Thank you for watching.